What if the breaking isn't the end of your story, but the beginning of your rebuilding? Life will break you at some point. Not maybe, not possibly. It will. Through loss, through failure, through disappointment, through moments when the weight feels heavier than you thought you could carry. And in those moments, it can feel like something inside you has shattered. But here's what I've learned. Breaking is not the same as being destroyed. Sometimes life breaks you open so you can rebuild differently. Stronger, wiser, more grounded in who you truly are. When life breaks you, your first instinct might be to hide, to shrink, to question your worth, to ask, why me? But what if the better question is, what is this moment teaching me? Pain has a way of revealing what comfort never could. It clarifies your values. It exposes your priorities. It shows you where you were living out of alignment. Rebuilding is intentional work. You don't rush it. You don't pretend it didn't hurt. You don't skip over the lessons. You sit with it. You learn from it. And then you begin again. Struggle does not define you, but how you rebuild does. You can let the break harden you, or you can let it refine you. Every setback carries information. Every loss carries insight. Every obstacle carries an invitation to grow, to adjust, to release what no longer serves you, to strengthen what does. Being resilient does not mean pretending you're fine. Instead, it is choosing to rise anyway. Your resilience shines through when you decide that the breaking will not be the final chapter. You may feel cracked, but cracks let light in. You may feel undone, but undone is often where transformation begins. If life has broken you recently, hear this clearly. You are not finished. You are rebuilding. And rebuilding takes courage. It takes reflection. It takes trust in yourself. You don't need to bounce back to who you were. You get to rise into who you are becoming. Rebuild with intention. Rebuild with clarity. Rebuild with purpose. And trust that what emerges from this season will be stronger than what existed before. You've got this.